working, cause you're perfect, and I know that you're worth it. I can't walk away. Even though we're going through it, and it makes you feel alone, just know that I would die for you. Baby, I would die for you. Yeah. The distance. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself.
Kilala ang New Zealand with their scenic views and nature adventures. And our next stop ay isa sa dinarayo ng mga turista when it comes to connecting with nature. I'm your nomadic one, and journey with me in New Zealand at Staglands Wildlife Reserve.
Nomadic.
When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me.
Say to my vlog.
Hi!
Hi!
Alam ko nung saan.
Hi! Say to my vlog.
Ano kaya? Wellington?
Kamusta everyone? Kia ora, New Zealand. So we are here at Staglands for this video. And so isa siya sa sikat na tourist destination dito sa may Wellington. Puro animal barns ganon. So the best siya sa mga bata kasi pwede kang makipag-interact, pwede mo silang pakainin. So it's a magandang getaway para sa family every weekend. So yun, enjoy muna natin at tignan natin kung anong meron dito sa Staglands, and keep on watching everyone.
Staglands Wildlife Reserve and Cafe offers visitors the unique and exciting opportunity to connect with nature in a beautiful natural environment. Feed and freely interact with the wildlife in this very special place. The product of a one-man's passion and vision to experience nature at its best.
Oh. Okay, go. Oh, bigay mo. Go mo ka na. Yun! Good job! One more.
Siyempre, pag malayo na, ambisyoso.
Oh, go.
Na kayo.
Ah. Yun!
The reserve began half a century ago when conservationist and wildlife lover John Semister realized his childhood dream of creating a place for birds and animals to live freely and protected in their natural habitat. His goal was to create a beautiful environment so meticulously and with such forethought that in many places it would be hard to tell it had been created by human hands. Staglands is a must-see attraction for local families and tourists visiting the Wellington region. Looking for things to do in Wellington? Look no further. Kung mahilig ka sa nature and you have bulinggits na mahilig makipag-interact sa animals, this is the place to be. Let's connect with nature and Staglands Wildlife Reserve and experience flora and fauna in their natural habitat.
Hey!
Hello, say hi to my vlog.
Te,
Say hi to my vlog, ate.
ay vlog pala yarn.
Hi.
Hello guys.
Hello guys, welcome to our vlog.
Yun, no?
Ito nga pala ang aming video for today.
For this video, ate.
Salamat pala sa mga sponsor ko.
Alam niyo everyone, habang naglalakad ako sa Staglands, napagtanto ko na sometimes life is so overwhelming. Lalo na't bago ka pa sa isang lugar, bago ka pa sa work mo, hindi mo pa alam yung mga procedures, kung paano to, paano yung ganyan. Pero, remember this. On difficult days, I hope you remind yourself that it's normal to not know what you need to do to feel better. It's normal for everything to overwhelm you. It's normal to want to cry at the thought of everything. Everything that's happened. Everything that needs to be done. Everything that you don't want to deal with because the journey feels like too much to handle. The journey is too much to handle sometimes, but most times we can handle more than we tell ourselves we can. In the moments when everything feels like too much and you want to shut down, remind yourself that it's okay to shut down. It's normal. Remind yourself that you have the strength to get up again, even if you had to get up again too many times. Tandaan nyo to everyone. Maikli lang ang buhay. Piliin mong maging masaya. Laban. Breathe. Pahinga ka. Then, keep going. Keep shining, everyone.
At yun mga wan, nandito na tayo sa may lookout ng Staglands and magandang IG spots dito. Yun nga lang nakakapagod. Pero para sa IG gaming.
Direct maganda all the pretty girls.
Madali habang wala ka na daan. Ako kakanta? All the pretty girls walk like this.
Oo nga.
Apo, Gangnam Style.
At yun mga wan, tatapusin muna natin ang ating video and this is our Staglands experience. So ayun, located siya sa Acaratawa Valley at ilalagay ko yung description below. So yun muna wan, kung bago pa lang kayo sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para na ma-update kayo sa mga bagong videos ko. So yun muna mga wan, Kia ora, New Zealand.
Shine on me.